finally we are on the place to see the biggest creatures, the sharks. We have got very big fishes and waiting for the sharks to give its appearance over here. Yeah, you have got a shark coming up there. But that's not a big shark, that's a river shark. But still, that's a river monster fish. It's giving it appearance over here. Yeah, you have got a river shark over here. And the real sharks are also here. Sea sharks are here. So we have to be waiting for them. Waiting to get their view. Most pleasant view. If we wait here, we have to wait long, so we can start to move out to catch a view of them. And on the way, we can. This is the photo of that shark. Indian Ocean under the surface. What do you have under the surface of Indian Ocean? Dolphins can reach a speed of about 32 kilometers. Green sea turtles, one of the largest of all hard-shell sea turtles. And you have the Indian Ocean, deepest point is Sudra Dredge at 7,450 meters. Humpback whales are one of the largest species that adults range for a length of about 12 to 16 meters. Shark counts. There are over 450 types of sharks in the ocean. They are anywhere between 8 inch to 40 feet long. Oh my god. We have 40 feet long shark and also 8 inch shark. Do you know shark don't have bones, shark pumps or bones with full-fledged set of teeth and are enabled to feed and live on their own. Okay. Most species of sharks eat things like fishes, squid-fins, mollusks, plankton, killer marine mammals and other sharks. Sharks feed on other sharks. Oh my god. Humpback sharks can migrate up to 1,200 kilometers alone. So the great white shark have much a stronger sense of smell that if there was only one drop of blood in 100 liters of water, a great white shark can smell. That is the smelling sense of a great white shark. Bull sharks can swim in fresh water as well as ocean water. Oh my god. So in mangrove forest, be careful. You may have a bull shark visiting you because it's written that they can swim both on seawater and marine water as well. So you have got a lot of fishes. So this is the underwater tunnel of the VGP Aquarium. And I am moving in and they have got some beautifully sand is kept on huge hills. And you have the shark here. The shark may visit us at any time. So we are walking anxiously to meet the sharks. This is the way. It could even come up of you. You are under a tunnel. You are all ready to meet the shark. I am also searching for the shark, but yeah, that's the shark. I think we can see him soon. Yeah, the most respected person is in the shark. Real sea shark. This is maybe the bullback shark, which is said to be swim on freshwater and marine water, but it's really a shark. It's very hard to see the backside of the surface of a shark until you are inside a tunnel. So this arrangement is very suitable for us to see the shark. Hey, you have got another one visiting you. See, 2 to 3 sharks at the same time. Oh my god. Have you ever felt that you can be so close to a shark like this? And you have a very big sea angel here. And yeah, very small shark. But this is a sea shark. That is also a sea shark, bullback shark. Hey, so many sharks. Little sharks are coming near you. These are all not river sharks. These are all sea predator sharks. That is a bullback shark. Wonderful opportunity to see so close Even you can touch nearby him. And I have seen sharks like previous time when I come, I saw a shark of about you can see the corner holes of the shark. So you have got water aeration. Look at how beautifully the aeration is done. It looks like smoke coming out of water. Yeah, see, this is somewhat a bigger one. This is about some 1.5 feet long. Hi, shark. Have a smile. And this is another one fish. The underground tunnel, the advantage is you can see the back surface of the fishes very clearly. Yeah, you have got a shark again here. This is again a bullbug shark, which is a she animal. Oh, these fishes are also massive. Shark! 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 Shark, look at me. Smile. One small smile. Shark! Shark! Plenty and plenty of sea fishes. And again we are back out of the tunnel, and we can go back and wait for seeing the shop there. Yeah. This is a walk through the underground tunnel of the VGP Aquarium, and the shark came nearby but it went away. Look at how big the fishes are. There are plenty and plenty of sea fishes other than the shark as well. Yeah, the shark is here. The shark is in. Excellent move. This shark will be about some 3 to 4 feet, and this is a bullbug shark which can swim both in fresh and sea water. Plenty and plenty of fishes. The shark has gone there. So again the river shark is going at the other side. It is called as a catfish. This is also a river shark fish. The shark is coming that side. May visit us again. Yeah, he is coming back. Yeah, he's back in. He's very busy visiting everyone. Hi, shark. Yeah, the shark is again. This is some 1.5 feet long bullbug shark. This lives both in fresh and sea water. And there comes a river water shark. He can live in river water itself. This is the shark I am talking about. Hey, river. Yeah, you have got a she shark again back. coming back. Up. Hey shark, smiley please. Okay friends, in this video we have gone through a round on the tunnel. Now I will go standing on a place and take another one footage of sharks, where I expect sharks to be mostly coming in, and now he's coming here and he's visiting here also again and again. This is a bullbug sea shark, and this fellow will be about some 4.5 feet long. So there are about 3 to 4 sharks, small sharks, bigger sharks, so many, plenty of fishes here. So, and okay fine, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and ask your friends in your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn to subscribe to my channel. I have lots and lots more coming up for you. I have a shark coming towards you. This is a river shark coming towards you. There are 3 river monster sharks coming towards you. These also grow up, reach up to a feet, a long length of about 3 to 4 feet, but they won't harm you until you leave your hand inside their teeth and poke them. They will bite you for sure. Don't be so bad with the animals. Be pleasantful to them. So okay, fine friends, it's time to say bye, and I will be again the sea shark is coming. Bullbug shark. This fellow is surely for about 4.5 feet long. Yes, very big teeth. Okay, fine, he is moving away. And it's time to say bye. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Press my photo or my name and see all my videos. Share it in your WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook. Ask your friends to subscribe and watch my videos. It's time to say bye. It's Joel John J signing off from you. Bye.